Ever thought about turning your Notion setup into a cash cow? Imagine spending countless hours crafting the perfect Notion workspace, only to realize it's a goldmine waiting to be tapped. Notion templates have become a hot commodity in the digital marketplace. But can you really sell them? Let's dive in. Understanding Notion templates. What are Notion templates? Essentially, they're pre-designed Notion workspaces that users can customize to their needs. The value proposition. They offer convenience, saving users time and effort. Plus, they often come with expert-curated content and structures. Examples of popular templates. From project management to personal organization, there's a template for almost everything. The legal landscape, copyright and intellectual property. Understanding copyright laws is crucial. If you've created unique content, you likely own the rights. Terms of service. Always review Notion's terms of service to ensure you're not violating any agreements. Consult with a lawyer. For complex cases or if you're unsure, consulting a lawyer is recommended. Monetization strategies. Direct sales. Selling templates on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or your own website. Subscription model. Offering a subscription service for ongoing updates and support. Affiliate marketing. Partnering with other creators or platforms to promote templates. Bundling. Combining templates with other digital products or services. Building your brand. Niche down. Specializing in a particular niche can help you stand out. Quality over quantity. Focus on creating high-quality templates that provide real value. Branding and marketing. Develop a strong brand identity and effective marketing strategies. Customer support. Providing excellent customer support can build trust and loyalty. Creating a successful template. Identify your target audience. Understand who will benefit from your template. Define the problem your template solves. Clearly articulate the value it provides. Design for user experience. Make your template intuitive and easy to use. Test and iterate. Gather feedback and make improvements. Pricing strategies. Value-based pricing. Set your price based on the perceived value of your template. Competitive pricing. Research what others are charging to determine a fair price. Freemium model. Offer a free version with limited features to attract customers. Marketing and promotion. Social media. Leverage platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest to showcase your templates. Content marketing. Create blog posts, videos, and tutorials to educate your audience. Email marketing. Build an email list and send regular updates. Collaborations. Partner with other creators or influencers. Overcoming challenges. Competition. Differentiate yourself by offering unique features or exceptional customer service. Copyright infringement. Be cautious and avoid using copyrighted material without permission. Technical difficulties. Ensure your templates are compatible with different devices and Notion versions. Join online communities. Connect with other template creators and learn from their experiences. Attend conferences and workshops. Network with industry professionals. Stay updated. Keep up with the latest trends and updates in Notion. Recap. Selling Notion templates can be a lucrative venture if done right. Call to action. Start creating your templates today and explore the endless possibilities. Final thoughts. Remember, consistency, quality, and a strong brand are key to success. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.